This is Blockchain Bullz, and today we're going to talk about Polkadot. If this is your first time to Blockchain Bullz, you can check out our other videos. We've got a lot on here, and we're going to dive in here now and talk about this project that I considered about 2 months ago to be the best investment in cryptocurrency. You could see Blockchain Bullz right here. I posted this on December 28, 2020. I said Polkadot coin, the best investment for 2021. You could see at the time the price was $6.13. Currently, if we go over here and look at Polkadot, it's $31.98, almost $32. So if you would have invested back then, you would have more than 5x'd your money. And that's not even including if you would have done some investing or some staking, right? So you can see Polkadot is just an absolute juggernaut. It just keeps going up and up. Now, why would something like this keep going up? In fact, if you look at the charts here, it just passed Cardano. So Cardano held the number 4 spot, but now Polkadot is coming into number 4, and actually it is up 40% over the last 7 days. And so people want to know, they're like, well, how high can this thing go? And if you look here, basically what Polkadot is, in my opinion, is it's Ethereum 2.0, whether you want to call it that or not. It's obviously not called Ethereum 2.0, but it basically is. And it's got a lot more traction and market moving right now than even Cardano does because it's basically got a lot of projects being built on there, and you can check out Polkastarter and some of the IDOs, which we'll show you guys later on in this video. If you guys are looking to learn more about Polkadot, I'll get you guys clued into some of the things you need to know. But if this thing goes to, say, $30 billion market cap, which is totally possible. Now, you take that divisible, this is about a 7 to 8x to get to this price point right here. That would put a Polkadot coin at around about, assuming it achieves this, it would put it at around about 220 to 250 per Polkadot, depending on how much the circulating supply increases. So a $220 Polkadot is what you could be looking at if it just basically reaches the Ethereum market capitalization as it is now. So some of you guys are like, ooh, okay, you got my attention. Now let's keep listening. Okay, so first of all, this is not professional financial advice. So I'm just here to share with you my excitement and what I've discovered about Polkadot that's made me so excited, and take out that investment and make the video that I said the best investment in 2021. Now, 2021 is not over yet. There's obviously some altcoins that are low cap that are going to emerge. But when it came to the top 20 coins, top 40 coins, top 50 even, Polkadot seemed to be just the obvious safe bet with a lot of upside. So now we're going to take a look here at some of the things you need to know about Polkadot. So when you go to their website, you can see they've got some talking points that are really important. So if you watch Gavin Wood's video on what he was talking about when he originally got together with this right here, you're going to want to watch this. Polkadot Behind the Code, Episode 1, The Idea, featuring Gavin Wood. So this is the video you're going to want to watch when they actually got the ball rolling back in 2017 thereabouts. I believe here he was talking in Ibiza. But he basically said they wanted to build a better Ethereum. Ethereum being an older source code, rolling out in 2015, 2014, around that time frame. It's like the older model. And so now you have this new source code that learned from all the errors of Ethereum and put together this Polkadot here. So you have true interoperability, something that Ethereum has always lacked, right? That's why they've needed to constantly layer up. Economic and transactional scalability. This is important in terms of what we've seen with some of the validators and the fees and all that, because transactional scalability, but without a lot of fees. How about that? Easy blockchain innovation. So that substrate framework that they put in place, and we're going to go into some of that as we talk about their network and their extensions with the parachains and Kusama and all that. Forkless and future proof. So this is obviously really important because Polkadot can upgrade without hard forks to integrate new features or fix bugs. The old source codes for Bitcoin and even Ethereum, they all required forking. This one does not require forking, so they went away from that. Security for everyone. Polkadot's novel data availability and validity scheme allows chains to interact with each other in a meaningful way. Chains remain independent in their governance, but united in their security. User-driven network governance. Okay, so user-driven network governance is really important because that's you guys the users of the network. So powering the Polkadot network, you have the governance, the staking, and the bonding. This right here is really important in terms of being an investor, because you can actually get some cryptocurrency out of the deal just by participating in being a holder. So you're incentivized as a token holder. Now the bonding, the new parachains are added by bonding tokens. Outdated or non-useful parachains are removed by removing bonded tokens. This is a form of proof of stake. So this bonding with the parachains, the governance is obviously really important, but staking as an investor, this is where people got excited and they're actually participating in all that. So you can see Polkadot is an open source project funded by Web3 Foundation, and you guys can get all dialed in on all that here as you continue to take a look at the project as a whole. But let me talk about the next big thing that I want you guys to dial in on, which is going to be Polkastarter. So decentralize the way your ideas raise capital. So you can see you've got Super Farm on here, which is an exciting project. You got Public Mint, Polka Markets. This one's getting a lot of attention right now, actually. But if you guys haven't already checked out Polkastarter, I've been an investor in Polkastarter since beginning of the year, and this project has absolutely been a juggernaut for me in terms of raising, growing my profit. So if you guys are looking to get into a project like this, I'm not saying it's too late, but it's certainly had its day, and it keeps on going up, but the multiples aren't going to be there like they were before, so you're going to have to get into something new. And another one that's also been a strong performer here is Kusama, which is their Canary network. This is basically like their test net, but they allow you to invest in their test net. And if we actually take a look at some of the price action with Kusama, this one's been a star also. We've made a video specifically about this. I believe at the point when I made this video on Kusama, it was around the $50 mark, something like that. Maybe 49. I don't remember the exact price, but now 236. This one's just been a star also. So it's got a $2 billion market cap. So congratulations to everyone who invested in this. And then if we looked at Polkastarter, I'll just show you the price action. So what you're seeing is a lot of real interesting projects with great price action. Ooh, Polkastarter's down a little bit. It was 662, now it's 546. I think when I stepped into Polkastarter, it was around January 1st. So it was at 68 cents. Now it's sitting at 546. So I'm pretty happy about everything that all the investments that I made in Polkadot's network of projects, right? So, but the parachains are what's coming out now, and this is where you guys are going to need to really dial in here. So you can see Polka Markets announces Polkastarter IDO for Polk. So this is on Medium. This is what I was going to talk to you guys about when we saw it on Polkastarter. Polka Markets is thrilled to announce our immediate IDO. So IDO is dot offering, initial dot offering on premier decentralized fundraising platform Polkastarter. Since we've launched our project, we've continually overwhelmed by the amount of support and interest we have received from the community. So this project getting ready to come out. Obviously, they've got some backers: Moonrock Capital, Morningstar Ventures, NGC Ventures, Astronaut Capital, and Spark Capital. So this one is going to be the date of the IDO for Polk token is February 24th, 2021 at 1 p.m. So if you're interested in getting into the Polkadot network, you can look at some of these IDOs. You could take a look at Kusama and the projects that are even being built on the testnet Kusama, which are going to have potential. But overall, if you really want to make it easy on yourself, all you really need to do is get into Polkadot. Sure, there's going to be projects on the Polkadot network that are going to accelerate and really take off. But I think long term and even in the short term, Polkadot's got a lot of room to grow. And I think it's really just getting started. Now, obviously, you would have liked to have been in around the $5 mark, the $6 mark, or even when I made the video. But I'm saying it might not be too late to actually consider it, because long term, this project is going to start coming up onto the Ethereum network's market share. Now, if Ethereum doubles in price, you could expect something like this will probably outpace the multiple. So I think that it's likely that this one doubles in price before Ethereum doubles in price, but who knows? I don't have a crystal ball, neither do you. But what do you guys think? What do you think is the best investment in crypto? Is it going to be something like this Polkadot? Is it going to be something like Cardano? I mean, the retail investors love Cardano because of the tokenomics. It's really easy to get one of these. You know, for 89 cents, you get one Cardano. For $31.99, you get one Polkadot. But similar market cap. But the difference is Polkadot has projects being built left and right, lots of action going on, whereas Cardano still doesn't quite have that kind of vast network, but it's got a big market cap like Polkadot, although Polkadot's the one moving and shaking and doing big things. So let me know what you guys think. There are projects like oracles that are being built on Polkadot. I've actually invested in some of those. There's Refinance. So you guys let me know what some of your favorite projects are being built on the Polkadot network, and I could go in there and try and make a video of maybe the top 5 projects on the Polkadot network, like Polkastarter, Kusama, maybe even Refinance some of these other projects. Drop a comment below letting me know which ones you guys want to be highlighted there. We can also talk about the Binance Smart Chain that's rolling out. Now you can see Binance Smart Chain, Binance Coin is not too far behind Polkadot. In fact, if there was ever a legitimate contender for Polkadot, it's going to be Binance Coin. This one has really stepped into a league of its own. It's gone beyond being an exchange. And so shout out to CZ for always being able to optimize and develop and really being flexible. Man, that guy is a real great leader. So shout out to him. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing and liking Blockchain Bullz. We're up to 5,500 subscribers, growing really fast. I can do more lives. If you guys like those lives, you just go over there and you turn on the bell, and that's how you get notified when we make a new video. So we'll see y'all.